This is Doug Lindsay with Autofocus Cars and Vids, and this is a video about my shoes. So if I run a channel about cars and video production, why am I going to talk about my shoes? Well, you may have seen the unboxing video we did for Pilotis. I hope I'm pronouncing that, and if not, too bad. These are shoes that are designed for driving. Now there are racing shoes from like Sparco or whatever it is that are boots and look terrible and are very job specific. They go with racing suits and other things that people wear when they're really good and really professional or really overdoing it. But isn't there something in the middle? Is there a pair of shoes that's good for driving and that makes your life easier when you're either doing a long trip or out on the back roads or a track day? And that's what these are supposed to be. They have a steel shank in them that's helpful. They have a rounded heel so that your foot is supported and is able to move in the ways you would need it to move, not just to heel toe, but to work the gas and to work the brake, and then to divide the pressure on your foot for a long trip. So I've used these on the track and on a long drive, and they are okay. Are they worth it? Maybe. They're nice. A lot of comfortable shoes these days have wider soles, and you end up in a spot where you want to hit only gas and you're hitting gas and brake, or you want to hit only brake and you're hitting both. Or if you've got a third pedal and you're running a manual, you want to make sure that you're hitting the pedals you want when you want them. And so that's a big deal, and it becomes a bigger deal the faster you're going. On a track, if you want to brake hard, you don't want to be hitting the gas at the same time. So these Pilotis have a sole of the shoe that's narrower than what you would see on something else, on a basic tennis shoe. And it's particularly a lot narrower than comfy, cross-trainery type, pillowy shoes that you can walk around in. So I think they're cool. These things, this one has a simple look. I think it's called the Endurance or the 24-hour Le Mans. This is the Piloti Endurance in navy blue. And over time, the biggest challenge I faced is here at the top of the shoe, where there's a little grip to help you pull it on. I ended up with rubbing at the top of the shoe, pain where the shoe ends and the sock begins. That became a little uncomfortable. And I think it could be helped by just wearing thicker socks or being aware of that. But that happened to me on a drive from Pittsburgh and back. So these are long trips. Drives around town, 2-hour drive. These things are fine. On the track, they're great. They do help you hit the right pedal and nothing else. And so they do their job. They're comfortable enough. They provide feel. They're not isolating. But when it comes to longer drives, this part is where I had pain and trouble. So, the Piloti shoes, are they worth it? I mean, you have to wear something on your feet, and if you like driving, the rounded heel has real benefit. It's not a game changer. It's not like a bad driver would put on these shoes and beat a good driver. But if you want a pair of shoes that helps you be more precise in hitting the pedal the way you want to hit it, when you want to hit it, and nothing else, and you like the idea of the rounded heel helping you in the pedal box, I think the Piloti is a good shoe. It's a way to go. It's a low top. It looks like a regular shoe. You can put it on with clothes and pants and go out to dinner, get a drink with friends. It's not ostentatious. It's not lime green or orange. It doesn't have racing and sponsors written all over it. It's just a simple suede shoe, and it is purpose built for driving, and it doesn't fail at its mission. So I liked it. What do you think? What do you wear on your feet when you go? I'm sure you race barefoot because that's the way to do it. But no. So what do you wear when you're out on the track? What are you doing on the back roads? And how have you felt on long trips? I've run into problems where my heel just hurts after a lot of hours. I don't use cruise control a lot, so that's part of the problem. Another is there's those driving moccasins, and maybe those things are fantastic, but I went with these instead of those. So if you prefer those, let me know how they've gone. This is Doug Lindsay with Autofocus Cars and Vids. Leave a comment, a like, subscribe, support the channel, and I will tell you less about shoes, more about cars, but everything I talk about will be related to the experience of enjoying a sports car.